welcome to a haul video. Look at the boxes I hold, so much of stuff. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rochelle aka Mini Backpacker, and today is gonna be a sit down haul video. So I'm going to show you all what all products I bought from Nykaa. I've bought few things from store and online, and I'm going to display all the products that too. I bought all these products at a very minimal price. So come, let's get into it.
To give you a backstory, first I had visited the Nykaa store and I had bought this bag, and I'll show you what's there in it. I bought this bag of things from the Nykaa store because I wanted to do some patch tests first and then buy them. And this boxes is what I've ordered from the online store. So come on, let's reveal what's there.
To start off with, I'm going to, categorize the stuff that I've bought, like hair products, makeup and skincare. First, I think I should show you all with skincare because there's a lot of skincare that I bought from the Nykaa. I have bought this cushion foundation from L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 hours fresh cushion. I have bought this product.
I've seen a lot of videos, or lately there is cushion foundation that's getting trendy. So I said even I want to try it, and I bought that for y'all.
For me. So to go with, in this you get a mirror, a sponge to do the tap tap. Then you have to, okay, how do you open this? I have to figure out how to open this. How do I open it?
One eternity later.
Okay, sorry. It was this that I had to open, and then see, this is how it looks. Am I supposed to? So I'm not going to use it now. So this is the first product that we bought from there.
There was an offer that was running in the store that if I buy 2 L'Oreal products, then I will get the third one free. And
so what I did is I bought this L'Oreal Paris's foundation in a powder, and I said if I'm getting the third product because I'm going to use it a lot, so I bought 2 of these. So I've got 2 of the same shade. I've already started using this product, as you'll see. And again, there is a mirror, there's this foundation here, then you have got a patty and a mirror along with it. Okay, so yeah, this.
Then the lady in the store, she suggested that because I have a lot of pigmentation on my head and my chin, so she suggested this
Ordinary serum, which is a niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum, which will help me in getting rid of my pigmentation, is what she says. So this is the bottle that I have, and she said this will you'll be able to use it for 6 months and all that, but I don't believe that.
She's like, you'll have to just use 2 pump or 2 drops of it, and 2 drops is too less for the whole face is what I feel. So I don't think I will be able to use it for the whole 6 months, but yeah, 3 months I think it will go for.
Now also in the store I got this Dot & Key's Barrier Repair Moisturizer as a freebie.
And yeah, this is the free product that I got, and I was happy about it because why not? Even if it's a smaller or big product, why not get a free product?
So yeah, this is the product. This was all that I bought from the store. Now let's go towards the one that I bought from Nykaa. Start off with the face products that I bought from Nykaa. Sunscreens. And one is the Wishcare's Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen, which is this one, and the other one is the Sun Scoops Hydrating Fluid Sunscreen for face and body. You can use for both. Okay, so
the reason why I bought 2 sunscreens is because I have a sister and she also uses all these products, so I said we will share it, hence we have 2 sunscreens that I have bought. Now I have not used both the sunscreens. This is the first time I have bought because I must have got influenced by people on the internet, and that's how I bought these sunscreens. Now this is in the liquid form because I can hear liquid in it, and this is basically I've seen Sarah Saroj mostly promote this sunscreen, or if she uses this really, I'm not sure, but then she promotes this sunscreen, so I said I want to give it a try because I always try some different sunscreens. Okay,
and yeah, this is the face product that I have. Then I have bought another product, which is the Dr. Seth's Kesar and Kojic Daily Pigmentation Correction Cream. So this is a cream where
I saw reviews on their page itself where people type in their review, and not only they had written the review to believe it, but they even had posted pictures of what the difference is of the pigmentation when they started off with and when they use it for a week or 2, and what was the difference after that. So that's what made me buy this cream because I really want to try it.
Now that was for skincare. Let's dive in with makeup. What makeup products did I buy from Nykaa? So there are few of the products that I bought. First is this color corrector. I'm sorry. color corrector, which is the Insights Pro Concealer Palette. You can see this. It's pretty viral, and more than viral, I think it's budget friendly. Of this product, this is how it looks.
And I don't know what made me buy this, but then yeah, I'm going to try out this product and see, because I've never done color correction on my face by using a concealer of such colors. But then yeah, on the internet you see a lot of videos of how to do it and all that. So I'm going to follow those and try using this color corrector. And because it is my first time trying this, concealer kind of a thing with so many different colors, I thought why not buy something that's in the budget. And if you don't like it, or if you don't know how to use it or something, then it's just as you just paid a little price for it and you've tried it and not bought a very expensive product, and then you're like, oh shit, I wasted my money. So that's why I bought this.
Second thing that I have bought is this Maybelline's Angled Eyebrow Pencil. It's in the natural brown color. Now, I haven't used an eyebrow pencil before this ever, but then I said I want to give it a try. This is how the tip looks of this. Let me just check. It's very subtle to use, like hardly there's no color in it, kind of. If you see, I've just tried, and very less color that comes in. So
I've never used eyebrow pencil also. I used to have a powder, Nykaa's powder palette for eyebrows, but I said I want to give it a try to the pencil as well and see how it works, okay?
after this, I got a lipstick. It's a Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick.
But I've not opened it because it is for my sister, it's not for me. And let her open it. I wouldn't do justice if I open the product and give it to her, so let her open it. And she used to use this shade basically, and she loves this shade. That's how we bought another one for her. And yeah, she's going to use this.
Now, I have also ordered Pax lenses. I've ordered Pax lenses, and this is in the shade Pure Hazel. Hazel looks good on me, on my skin tone. It suits my skin tone, so that's how I bought this. This is how the product looks inside the packaging.
And a very subtle, hazelnut color hazel color is there. So when I wear them, of course I'm going to remove some pictures and I will be posting that on the internet. So yeah, I'm going to.
I've got this Color Me Happy liner from Swiss Beauty, which was a free product that I have received. And I didn't even see what the product is like. Okay, it's a smudge proof liner. Okay, this is how the product looks like inside the packaging, and it's a liner. So again, I would be using it and giving you the review. So I bought this mask blush palette. I thought, why not, if I'm just using a powder palette, why not just try some different colors in one palette. A very basic palette is what I bought, and in that what I see is 4 options of blush, then 2 shimmer, that is the highlighters that I have, and 2 contour palettes, 2 for contour. So
I said I'll just go with this because I didn't find something that was really, I was satisfied seeing the product and I really want to buy kind of a product. Hence I said I'll just invest in a very minimal palette and I will try this out. Once in the mid-range, once later on if I get something better, then I will just go for that product.
Bought a bottle of this blender. Look at this. So it has 4 big blenders and 3 small blenders in it. So it came in this box. And I have bought a set of makeup brushes. So Swiss Beauty is a brand with makeup brushes that I already had.
Now before this also I was using Swiss Beauty's makeup brushes in a different, the different ones. But those lasted me for at least 2 years, and I had bought them in the price range of I think 1,000 or 1,100 from Amazon the last time I bought them. And now that they are, broken and some, what happens is with the makeup brushes, the glue starts to come off from the holder and the brush. So that's what has happened with few of the brushes that I have from Swiss Beauty. So I said let me just invest again. I wanted to invest in a very minimal price, so I bought this.
And this is how, this is how the palette looks, and it is a very smooth, look at this, a very good quality brush, I would say.
And the price range also, I've seen like the price range also speaks for it. Like I think in investing in that price range and getting such good quality brushes, because all the other brushes are in the price range of 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 is what I see. But I'm not someone who's a professional in makeup, so I said I don't not invested in that much money. I'll just buy something that's very basic, because I'm very basic makeup girly. So I said I will just invest in that. All the brushes, look at this. It's so smooth to use. I like because the texture is not pokey kind of a texture, very smooth. Like it's just a small, I don't know what to even exactly call it, but a very smooth and very nice texture that it has, and I like. And it also came with a powder puff for your baking, and a sponge. So this is too hard, but I don't know what it will come in use of, so I'll just check that.
With makeup it's done. I'm going to show you all hair products that I have bought, and in that I have bought this Dove's peptide bound strength and leave-in serum, and this is the second product that I have bought, which is oil serum. Okay, a leave-in serum and an oil serum is what I have bought. So again, another viral product that I have bought because I want to try.
My hair type is very dry and very frizzy hair type is what I have. I've tried a lot of products, but most of them they only work for a day or two, or when you have a very good hair day, it's kind of a day that it looks good. Otherwise, I'm always having very frizzy hair. And I keep trying a lot of products so that I want to know what works the best for me. Hence, I've bought these two viral products, right? That's going on. Two viral products that are going on the internet right now. I haven't used them, as you see. Both the products are packed, piggy packed.
So this product, basically what they do, you have to shake and then just spray it like this on your dry hair. And this is, in shower, I think that you have to use. Let me just check how to use. Okay, this has to be used on a damp hair, mid-length on tips. Okay, you don't have to use it on the scalp. It is just on the hair length that you have to use, and leave it at 5 minutes to activate. This is on the damp hair that you have to use, and this is on the dry hair that you have to use. So yeah, again, I'm going to try these products. Now coming towards another mask that I have bought for my hair is this Streaked Professionals Spa Nourishing Hair Mask for very dry and damaged hair. This is the packaging, and yeah, this is what I have bought for now. Again, this is a living cream after shower. As you use your conditioner, this is the mask that you have to use after shower.
So yeah, another cream, a very basic cream that I've ordered, because at times you tend to order a very expensive product but it doesn't work, but it still doesn't work on you. But when you have a very local brand that will work on your hair type, because it's a local brand that is made in India and understands the hair type that you hold, that the Indians have. Hence I said let me try this, because Streaks is also one of the products that I see is a very it's been there in the market for a long time. So I said let me buy it.
That I have bought is this hair finishing styler. Now this is the same product where you've seen the hair wax to sleek your hair is what they use it for, and I said let me give it a try for this. So this is how the product looks in the packaging, and if you remove it, so it has kind of liquidy stuff.
Okay, I've never tried this product. This is the first time I bought, and I said let me give it a try to this product, because I didn't want to put $1,000 for getting the wax hair. Like you have Moxie Beauty's wax hair wax that you get. Then there is another stick that I see all the influencers using it. But I said let me first give it a try with this small product, and then I will think of buying a bigger product.
Okay, I've bought this as well. This is a scrubber, a back scrubber. So your hand doesn't reaches your back to scrub your back, hence you need a back scrubber, and I bought this to have bath with. Okay, also to mention to y'all, because my channel is not a monetized channel, hence I wouldn't get to tag these products or the option to list this in the description. What you can do is you can just go into my channel, the details about my channel. In that I have mentioned a link, that's a wish link. You can go check out in the wish link all the products. I'm going to tag it over there. So yeah, that was all for this video. And if you liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe. And also there are a few videos that I keep uploading. Do look into it. And this is my first haul video that I have made. I hope you all liked it, and if you like such videos, then do mention in the comments below so that I make such more videos for you all. So that was all for this video. Bye.